Yana. I was home with my kid, Mamiana. Real bitch, I don't be with all that drama. Nah, money, my business, I'm a
Hey everyone, it's Michelle and welcome to my channel. Today's video is going to be on this look right here. I wanted to come up with a spring flower gory makeup tutorial. I'm going to get into the tutorial in just a second, but I want to quickly say to all my lovely friends and supporters, thank you so much from the bottom of my heart for supporting me. It means everything to me. If you are new here, I'd love it if you'd subscribe and join my little family. If you're into SFX makeup tutorials, glam looks, some product reviews, but mostly some really cool, interesting SFX makeup. I'm not going to make this intro too long. Let's just get into it. Okay, so for the eye, I'm going to use the James Charles palette. We're going to do a blue and yellow eye. I'm going to go on with the yellow first. I'm going to go in with a little bit of orange. We're going to go in with this blue right here, put it on the inner portion of the eye. We're going to use this blue as well, go right over top. I wish the colors of the palette were actually written on here instead of on that little plastic thing. So I'm just going to be pointing to the colors. Now we're going to do something for the center. I think I'm going to go with this light blue right there. So I did end up catching my daughter's sickness. I tried everything not to. My throat is killing me. I have a headache. I feel awful. I am dedicated to doing my looks. It's not taking well right at the lash line. I don't know why. Get in there. Okay. Try using a little bit of setting spray. Alright, wetting your brush does help for this shade. I'm going to go back in with the blue shade. Back in with this light blue shade here, and we're just going to use it right in the edge of the crease. I'm going to go back into this sparkly blue. Okay, we're going to go back under there with a bit of orange. I'm going to use the Essence Long Lasting Liner in Jump and Swim. Then we're going to use the Sunny Day Sephora liner. I'm going to go back into the orange shade.
Can you hear my voice?
Back to the yellow.
Coming through the noise. I'm floating through outer space.
I'm going to use the NYX Micro Brow Pencil and Taupe.
All the lights going dark and my hopes destroyed. Help me. Is anybody there? Save me.
little NYX Control Freak Brow Gel.
Calling out Mayday.
We're going to use the e.l.f. contour palette, the contour shade here, with an Avon contour brush.
It's so dark out here in space.
I'm only doing half the face because this side is going to be the flowers.
A face. My eyes are just
I'm going to use some bronzer.
the void between you and me. And I feel
We're going to use Hot Mama from Benefit. And then Becca Champagne Pop.
is anybody there?
So for this part, we're going to need Kleenex or toilet paper and liquid latex. Figure out what shape you want it to be. We're going to be covering the eye.
Calling out Mayday. Calling out Mayday. Far from the sun, beyond stars, I hear their song. They're coming closer, talking without sound, calling me home. Calling out Mayday. Calling out Mayday. Save me. I'm running out of air. I'm running out of air. I'm running out of air. I'm running out of air.
We're going to use this Tardiest lip color in Birthday Suit.
Coming through, coming through, coming through the noise. I'm floating through outer space. I'm lost and I can't find a way.
I'm going to use NYX lip liner in the color Peekaboo Neutral.
Hopes destroyed. Help me. Is anybody there?
So weird doing makeup with only one eye. I'm going to do some on my neck too, I think.
Save me. I'm running out of air. Calling out Mayday. Calling out Mayday.
That's probably going to stain. Okay, I decided to switch up some of the flowers so it wasn't as coming across my whole face. Okay. Now let's get to the blood. I had to wipe off my shirt so it didn't stain, so I'm soaked.
And I feel like I'm going insane. Help me. Is anybody there? Save me. I'm running out of air.
use a little bit more liquid latex. Just try to give it more of a skin-like appearance.
From the sun, beyond stars.
I was thinking to maybe use some like rhinestones. I have these. I have these. Do you want any of these?
Calling out Mayday. Calling out Mayday.
I'm gonna use some black Snazaroo paint.
Save me. I'm running out of air. I'm running out of air. I'm running out of air. Can you hear? Can you hear? Can
Okay, so this is the final look I came up with for spring flowers. You know, I just had to add my edge to it. I didn't want it to just be pretty. It had to be a little gory. This was my attempt of trying to get the blood off of my shirt. It looks awful. I may have to change my shirt for pictures. If you enjoyed watching this tutorial, please give it a big thumbs up. It really helps out my channel, lets me know that you're enjoying my videos. Subscribe if you'd like to see more videos from me, and until the next time,